Hello from VPNveteran.com, the leading VPN and security review team, bringing to you our wealth of experience within internet security and censorship. Today, in this video, we are going to talk to you about this VPN. Let's dive right in. As you can see, while I am scrolling down the page, you can find a detailed review of this VPN on our website, so I don't want to spend too much time going into too many details right now. More importantly, the VPN provider has given us a special discount coupon, and we want to share this with you today before it expires. This basically means that if you buy your VPN through our website, you will get a special discount not available to other people. Cool, right? Simply browse to our website and click the Go To button here. You will then be taken to a special pricing page with our discounted prices. This is already a great VPN, but now at a discounted price, trial and coupon. So with zero risk, you can test this VPN, and if it doesn't quite work how you were hoping, then you can simply get your money back. In the opening screen, we see a dashboard where we see a list of servers which we can use to connect. The server list is divided by countries. Behind the country, you will find 3 dots, and while clicking there, one can see if extra servers can be accessed through this country. For example, if we go in United States, there are a lot of servers that are divided by number or region. This selection will be available when a country has a lot of servers. After we have clicked on one of these servers, you can see a connection is established. We are connected. One can also select a country just by clicking on the map. I think it's not really easy to work this way, but you may find it easy to create the connection like this. It's just an alternative option. You can also set up NordVPN depending on what you want to do. For example, a server just for P2P. One will only be able to do P2P in the pre-selected countries by NordVPN. Another option is double VPN. This is a very safe option that lets you connect through another VPN connection. For example, you can decide to connect to Canada, and before closing the connection, a connection is made with the US server. Super safe and a nice NordVPN function. When we go to the settings, you can see NordVPN settings. One option is CyberSec. This function lets you block malware which can be found on websites you visit. Another option is the classic Auto Connect, where the VPN will automatically reconnect when a connection is disconnected. The option that NordVPN start up with the computer. One of the most important ones is the kill switch. Invisible on LAN is also an interesting function. For example, you are in the office but you don't want to be visible on the LAN. Then you can click this option. App Kill Switch. Here you can decide what application to kill if the connection is disrupted. One can choose your own application, delete them, and add new. Also, you can go in Advanced Options, where we can select different protocol. Custom DNS. We can decide to use a VPN connection with a specific DNS. If you are in China, for example, it can make sense to select this option, the obfuscated server. The connection will go much slower, but one can still surf the internet. This was a small summary of the basic functions of NordVPN. You can access Netflix US using NordVPN without any problems. For example, if I log into Netflix now while still using my current country's IP, I can only see the movies and series which are available in my country. I can't log into any other Netflix countries. But let's say I wanted to check Netflix's movie catalog in the US. I believe they have a bigger selection. With NordVPN, I simply choose United States as the country and click the Connect button. In a few seconds, we will be connected to the United States server, and automatically our current IP address has changed into an American IP address. Once I have the American IP address, basically I go back to Netflix and refresh the page. I now have access to the American Netflix movie database. As an example, I will access one movie listed to show you that NordVPN works smoothly with Netflix US. It works with any country in the same way. For example, if I want to see the movies listed in the French catalogue, I can connect to France using NordVPN and obtain a French IP address to access their Netflix. As you can see, Netflix works without any problems. NordVPN works with torrents. Now, we'll do a test. I have opened the QBitTorrent program. Let's check if it works with our VPN. We are currently connected to Singapore. I have restarted my Ubuntu download that I go from Pirate Bay. As you can see, the torrent works perfectly using NordVPN. Here is a quick summary of this fantastic VPN service. Did you learn something new in this video? Then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now we want to turn it over to you. What do you think about this video? Let us know by leaving your comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below if you found this video helpful. Then please share this video around the internet to help our community grow. Also, if you want exclusive VPN tips and the latest discounts that we only share with subscribers, head over to our website and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next one.